They are losing power. This person felt like they will always have you by their side, regardless of how they behaved, how they treated you. They just felt that your loyalty wouldn't waver. You know, in the past, you and this person were really close. You got on. You know, you may have went to events with this individual. You may have partied with this person, etc. And it was very high vibrational at the time. But something changed. You know, you may have went your separate ways, or you may have noticed that this person was a hindrance in your life. You know, they were creating a lot of stagnancies in your life, and you wanted to explore other avenues. Some of you may have wanted to connect with other friends, and this person became very territorial, and you noticed that whenever you were around them, you felt indebted by them, and you were restricting your own growth. And you are a free spirit by nature. Look, we've got the full card here, which represents Aquarius. So some of you may have Aquarius in your chart, but you wanted to maybe connect to different friends that you haven't met in a long time. You may have wanted to join certain clubs, organizations, and you felt like you couldn't if you were in a relationship with this individual. You always ran it past them, and if they were uncomfortable about you going out, you wouldn't go, which made you feel, you know, stagnated. You weren't living in your true purpose because of this individual. And you went within. You know, I feel like you were going through a transformation. And during this transformation, or during this time of healing, because some of you may have gone through a time of healing where you were reassessing your life, and you realized that you wanted more from life, and you were unable to move forward because of this person. And you realized that, hold on a minute, I handed over my power to appease this individual. Some of you felt like you blocked yourself from love because you were fearful of what this person may say, what this person may suggest in regards to an object of your desire. So maybe you passed out on love. Maybe you passed out on connecting with different friends because you knew subconsciously this person will be very angry. And for some of you, I feel like this person may have came into your life at a time where they were needed and you were needed for them. But during that period of your connection or relationship, you were supposed to evolve. You were both supposed to grow. And you were supposed to learn that you are powerful. Maybe you viewed this person as being very powerful, and this person was a mirror reflecting back onto you of who you are, but you did not tap into your power at the time. But when you realize that this person didn't want you to tap into your power, you started to make moves. And whether or not you planned to make these moves, it was almost as if spirit intervened and started to make these changes for you. And since you detached away from this individual, you're now embracing, you know, who you are as a person. You're liking yourself as a person. Some of you may have gotten a new tattoo, but you've had a glow up, you've had a change, you know, and I feel like you feel lighter. You also are acknowledging how amazing you are, how handsome you are, how beautiful you are. And some of you are going through your self-love healing journey. And possibly even when you were connected with this individual, you were going through a healing phase, which this person was trying to block because they were fearful that if you healed yourself, then you will remove yourself from them. You felt like being around this person made you have to hide certain aspects of yourself. You know, you wanted to be free. You started to feel monitored. You started to feel judged. You know, you didn't feel as if you could actually be authentic, and it made you question, is this really a good situation? Is this really a good friendship? Is this really a good relationship? Everything that you wanted to do, this person is not supportive of it. You know, the type of relationship that you wanted, romantic relationship that you wanted, this person wasn't stepping up to the plate. And your growth was very threatening to this individual because they feared that with this newfound sense of self, with this newfound sense of loving yourself, being confident, you're going to attract many other suitors. That was their fear. Maybe you just wanted to have a change within your appearance. You sorted out your health. You started to like yourself. People were complimenting you, telling you how good you looked, telling you how fabulous and amazing you are. And this person didn't like it. This person is the type of person also to hold back on compliments, hold back on, lifting you up, because again, their whole thing was control. They felt like if they held back on compliments and telling you how great you are, then you would be in an energy of wanting to appease them. And subconsciously, they knew that you really relied on their opinion. For some of you, this could be a mother figure, or for some of you, this could be your mum. And this person tried to bribe you with money, with gifts. They tried to keep you stuck. They didn't want you to be self-reliant. They wanted you to be codependent. And in the past, it may have worked. Gifting you money, maybe gifting you a job for some of you. But they didn't want you to break free. But you went through a period of growth, and you are going through a period of growth, and this person cannot cope because they're seeing you in a new light. They're seeing that you don't need them. You're independent. You are confident now. You do not care about their opinions of you. You do not seek their validation. Other people want to connect with you. Other people find you gorgeous. Other people like your company, and you are at peace with that. But they're not at peace with this. They're angry. They feel like you owe them. How dare you transform? How dare you grow? How dare you leave me behind? You've left this person out in the cold, whether energetically or physically. They can feel it and they know it, and they're clinging on. They feel like you've abandoned them. But the thing is, you abandoned yourself whilst trying to appease them. And Spirit intervened and said, no more. It's time for you to transform. And part of your transformation is releasing these people-pleasing tendencies and choosing yourself. You chose this person before you even chose yourself. That's why a lot of things were quite stuck and stagnated from you. And because you have removed yourself from this person, they feel the shift. And it's resorting into them trying to spy on you. They want to find out who is taking your attention away from them. Because maybe in the past you gave them so much of your attention and they didn't even deserve it. And this person is furiously, they're very nervous. They're very agitated. They have a lot of anxiety. They're trying to figure out, if you're dating anyone, what type of hobby are you doing? Like, they're searching on social media to try and find clues. If you follow this person, they're trying to look at maybe your latest post. When was your last seen on WhatsApp? Whatever the case is, like, they're trying to catch you out because they feel like, this person, they think very highly of themselves, and you should, but they think very highly of themselves in regards to their place in your life. They literally thought that they could actually run your life, and they are taken aback that you don't consult with them about your life anymore. Maybe before you consulted to this person about your life as though they were your diary. You're figuring things out on your own now. Some of you are seeing a counselor. Some of you are connecting with your friends. Some of you have found a new romantic partner. Some of you are really enjoying yourself. You're dating, you're going out there, you're going to concerts, you're going to cinemas and watching shows, and you're doing all the things that you couldn't do whenever you are around this boring person. I'm sorry, this person's boring. And they wanted to keep you as boring and stuck as they are. And because they knew that you held them in such high esteem in the past, you know, whatever you wanted to do, you ran it by them. And if they agreed, or like they were some type of judge in your life, and certain things you wanted to do, but you felt, oh, they wouldn't like it. So you bypass certain things, and you were sabotaging yourself. You were betraying yourself for this individual that was betraying their own life. And this person has seen a growth and a transformation before their very own eyes, and they do not recognize you anymore. They're very angry with this growth that you are exuding. And the thing is, I feel like you've connected more to spirit. You're praying more. You're listening to spirit more. And spirit's guiding you. And for some of you, spirit has guided you to remove yourself from this person. And I also feel like for some of you, your friends have told you like, bro or girl, that one day is a bit weird. After everything you told me, that don't sound like a friend. Or that don't sound like a partner. Whatever the case is. You know, and you're seeing so much growth in your life ever since you removed yourself from this person. And this person is all up in their head because they wanted to keep you stuck. They wanted to keep you stagnant. They won't overtly say it, but their actions proved that they wanted you in the palm of their hands. They wanted full control over your life. And now that you are freeing yourself, now that you are talking to other people, maybe some of you are, you know, collaborating with other people, they don't like it. And the thing is, their shadow side is going to be exposed. They could be acting as if they are okay with this new transformation, but this person feeds off control. You know, it's simmering, it's bubbling underneath. And this actual situation is making, I should say, this person extremely depressed, but they're trying to hide it. They're trying to act stoic. They're trying to disregard how it's affecting them. They could come across as robot-like, and they could detach away from their emotions, and they could detach away from their feelings. And I feel like this person could be a narcissist. You know, they thrive off control and suppression, and they lack emotions. There's a coldness to this individual. For some of you, you were in a relationship with this person and you broke free. You know, you broke up with this individual. Some of you could be going through this breakup right now during Aquarius season or last Aquarius season. You broke up with this individual and you found peace within yourself. You may have felt like this is the person that you were going to marry, and you were so in love with this individual, and they weren't matching your love. So you were forced to love yourself. And when you fell in love with yourself, you connected with others who were as equally as high vibrational as you and who saw your worth. And this person doesn't like it. So this could be an ex-partner, this could be a friend, this could also be a family member. This person is just trying to pinpoint when this change came about. You know, to the point whereby they're going to be obsessing about how they can get you back. And for some of you, unfortunately, they could actually result to spell work. So Spirit is saying, continue to keep prayed up, have sea salted baths, and protect your energy away from this person. Keep your vibrations high, because whatever they try and send, it will bounce right back. You know, because this individual, they don't want you to prosper. They don't want you to grow, even if it is a mother figure. They want to hijack your energy for themselves. They don't want you to get into a relationship because they fear that if you get into a relationship, they're not going to be invested in. You're not going to pay them no attention. This could be a mother who has always tried to rival you, even though you're her daughter. Or this could be a mother who may act like you are her husband if you are a son. It's like they wanted to gatekeep your energy and have no one experience the beautiful essence of you. But because you found love within yourself, or because you are finding love within yourself, some of you are going to get into new relationships, which this person fears, because they presented themselves in your life as though they were everything, so that you don't need a romantic partner, so that you don't need a friend. But since you started distancing yourself away from this person, you realize that certain things that you do with friends, you don't necessarily do with your romantic partner, or you can talk about with a romantic partner, and vice versa. But this person tried to ease themselves in your life so that you won't need one. You won't need a romantic partner. You've got me. And you may have been okay with that at the time, but then there were certain things that you may have wanted to do, and you didn't look at that person in that way. So it's like, okay, so what do I do with these feelings now, these romantic feelings? Because I see you as a friend, or I see you as a mother, or I see you as like a father figure, so what is this? And I feel uncomfortable talking about having feelings for someone because I know you're not going to approve. So what is this actual connection that we've got? Because if you're really my friend, why can't I speak to you about having feelings for someone? It became very toxic and confusing for you, and this person is going to start acting extremely erratic,